Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a built-in HTTP development server of Python. So if you have Python installed on your machine, there is a built-in HTTP development server that you can actually run any file. So let's suppose I create a simple index.html file which I need to run it inside the browser. So Python does come with a built-in development server. Now to run this file, you go to the terminal and simply execute this command and just write here python -m. For this you need to have Python installed, so just check your version. I am running the latest version, which is 3.10.5, and then you just need to say python -m http dash server. So python -m, after that you simply write http dash server dot server. So this is the command here. So this will actually start the development server on localhost by default on this port number, which is 8000. So if you try to open this, you will see that. So by default, it will open your HTML file here. You will see. So in this easy way, you can open any HTML, CSS or JavaScript, any HTML file using the Python development local development server with hot auto reload. So if you make any sort of changes here, you will see it will hot auto reload. If I add this, you will see. If I refresh it, you will see that the changes will be reflected back. I can add some CSS code here. Let me make the background color to red. So you can see, you can even write JavaScript code here. You can add. So in this easy way, this is the Python local development server. For this, you did not have to install any package. Just execute this command in the terminal, and then it will load and open your HTML file right here. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.